Welcome back to my channel, Jhaycell here. Today I would like to show you and explain to you how I edit my videos before I download it or post it in my YouTube channel. So I'm using the iMovie application and easy for me to editing and fast. And then if you really want to be most of the time you want to download the videos and make it fast, you use the application iMovie. This is how I edit. Okay, so how I show you. Welcome back to my channel, just so you can see me. Okay, so I am going to show you how I edit my video using iMovie application. Okay, so okay, here you press bump here. Okay, example, you can do the trailer, like create like Hollywood, no, like you are making your movie. This one is a movie, a normal one. Okay, I put you here, easy for you to see me. Okay, you can import from here. Example, you want to put a video. Example, we have to find one more video here. Okay, example, from here. Okay, cannot open. We cannot open. Okay, for example, this one we have to edit. I put you here, sorry. So you can edit here. You have to import example for that, and then you want to put for the entrance, for the like your entry. No, you can put this. My one already got it, and then here this only 4 minutes, 13 minutes. Example, this one. Okay, I put this video. Okay, so the outro I put here. Okay, so I have 14 minutes like that. So if you want to add, like for example, photo, so you can find your photo here. No, here, example, this example, and then you can press from here. You can fit or you can crop to fill, or you can kin or burns. You can be like this. Okay, done. Okay, become like this. I show you. This is how I edit my application. Look at that. Okay, so it will zoom in or zoom out. One more. Okay, start from here, go in like that. Okay, again, one more example. Oops. Okay, this we call it burn. So I will move from here at the beginning. I don't want here to put at the end because I already have. Okay, we come here. How is it the result? On. Okay, see, you can see the different. How is it easy to edit. And here you can, if you want to find another photo, you go to this file on the top and import media, and you want to find your photo that you already put in your phone, in your files. Here we can see from here pictures. Sorry, I cannot see properly. Should be here like this. For example, should be here. Okay, I want to add this one. Okay, we add this. Okay, we add this from here. We also edit from here. If you want to, like example, add more photos. Okay, it's moving here. If you want to edit this one, you can, okay, like this burn, you can be like this. Ups. Okay, here also can from the top. Okay, we watch again one more. Okay, boom. See, you can see my face. So you want this to put at the front. We look from here. I want this to put here. Okay, so here we put like something to mix from here. For example, okay, like this. You want to stabilize or lower volume from the clips, or you can reduce the background noise. Example, okay, you do it at 50%. The equalizer, you can put the voice enhance, for example. Okay, so here, for example, like that, you can put the clip filter. Okay, the duration 13.9. okay, you can put like that. And then especially you want to mix from here, so you can add from here. Okay, so when you on, it will come out the video we will see first. Okay, so it's easy. This is how I edit using the iMovie application when I want to edit the video. So I want to add that one. Okay, so okay, here for example, we make it fast. Okay, it will mix of this if you want to mix the thing. And then if you want to put the audio, you can put the music from here. Okay, I have a files that I already download from TubeBuddy audio free, so I will take from here. I have a free just now, I just downloaded. Okay, it's easy for you to find. Okay, it's very easy, just like, you know, if you really want to be put all the music, we find the music. Couldn't find. Okay, find one more. Okay, here from here we find here. From the top, okay, we find from this place. Okay, from here. Okay, from here you can download from that. This is our music now. We can on. Oops. Okay, we put from here. So here you can put, this is the music just now. I will show you first. Okay, I on. Okay, it's already distracted. The music is distracted, so we move from from here. We move here. So easy for you. It's not distracted for the beginning. Okay, here. Okay, we add this like this. Okay, we put bigger a bit. Easy for me to edit. If you want to put longer, so here you can add more. Okay, you can, if you want to add more, you just add again the music. So I never put from the front because my intro already got one music. This file is missing. We delete this file. Okay, so here you can put yourself here. So if you want to put the audio, okay, the titles, like for example like this, you put the title from the front here, not in the middle. Okay, so here you put here, you can put like for example your name, or what is the topic of your, okay, example you want to talk about how to make, for example like that. Okay, it already done. For example like this, it's in the middle. So here, easy for you to make for the title, the background. If you want your background to be like this, okay, this is your background. Okay, now it's done. We can see the background now. Okay, here. We move from here so that the background easy to watch. Oops, we delete this one because already additional one more. If you really want to edit also, you can edit from here. If you don't want to use, okay, the transition, I prefer to use this from here. Okay, we use this, try. Is it effective? No. Okay, look. Oops. If you want to, like suddenly pop up, transition. Yes. So I know how to make the transition now. So now I'm very smart how to use the iMovie. So it's really good. As you can see here is, if you want to find your files, you just put at the top. Before I don't know, so I'm just press everywhere until I lost the file. So from here only you can find, and then if you want to use, like for example you want to voice over, you can press from here, but you have to check the system from here, whether the microphone or the volume, because sometimes the volume or the music you can press, and then here, okay, you can press from here. It might be smooth. You put the reverse also. I don't put the reverse. And then here is the stabilize, like example is a shaky, you put 50%. Auto here, like for example the color, much color you can put from here. Okay, no, here. Okay, you can add the text if you want to add the text. For example here, you can put like Jhaycell, like that. And then here is okay, already done. So you do it again, you can watch, you can put your names here. Okay, for example, we press another one more here, already done. For the auto, like lower volume from the clips, if you want to put like from music, not really overlap the music and your voice is gonna. Okay, the speed you can choose from here, slow, fast, freeze frame, custom. Okay, you can use that. And then you can clip like filter or audio filter also can. You can press the duration here if you want to. So here already done. Okay, so here of if already done everything, you can import the video from here. If you want the music, I want to put some, you press from here. And then if you want the like example like this, okay, so here you can download. Okay, you can send to YouTube, you can through by email. If you want to go to the Vimeo also, you want to prefer to Facebook, you can put to the image and you can put to the file. So I prefer to press in the files because I need, if I direct to the YouTube, then will be direct properly directly. Then I prefer here, you can choose this. For example, you want audio only or you want video and audio, you can choose the resolution like 50, 720, 540, and then the quality, you can have a low, medium, high, best. I prefer the best. So the compress, I prefer the best quality. So here you can put next. You can choose which of these files you put here or you keep. I prefer in the documents, easy for me to remember. Okay, so if you want to find and if you want to know how it is the status for you are keeping the files, is here. So you can see from here, is it exporting your files into your files. So you can see how many hours or how many, how much already, how long. So you can see from here. So I hope you guys that you already can cope up or you can take ideas from this video. So you want to save also from other files also can. So from here I go back again. I want to go back already and already done. So okay, already go back to normal. Okay, finish.